We're making these homemade sourdough discard English muffins for this beautiful egg sandwich.
Hello. Okay, we are making sourdough discard English muffins. I've been saying I'm going to make these for like a year because I made them one time and Gianni loves English muffins. But today's the day. I just felt like today was the day. So we are starting with a cup of warm to hot water, not boiling hot, a little bit more than lukewarm. I think it has to be like 110 degrees, whatever. And 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of active yeast. Whisk this together, and then I'm just going to let this sit for like 5 minutes until the yeast gets bubbly. All right, this has been sitting for like 5 minutes, nice and bubbly now. So now I'm going to add a cup of milk. Then I'm going to add a cup of sourdough discard. This is just right from the fridge. Adding that right in. And then I'm going to add 4 cups of all-purpose unbleached flour. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to do this by hand, but I really probably should have did it with my mixer with the dough hook. But whatever, I'm going to do it the hard way. By hand, but you could do this if you have a stand mixer with the dough hook. It would be a lot easier. So I have my dough. I'm going to cover this with a towel and let it double in size for like 2 hours. Okay, I accidentally let this proof double for too long. But anyway, we're going to punch it. Oh, I love that. It all deflates back down. So I have a baking sheet with parchment paper on it. I'm going to dust it with some cornmeal. Okay, I just dumped my dough out. Now I'm just going to take pieces. How big? I don't know. I'm going to roll it into a ball. I think this should make about like 12. I need a little flour on my hands. This is a little sticky. Okay, rolled it into a ball. I'm going to flatten it out right on the cornmeal. And then I'm just going to do a bunch of these, and I'm going to let these puff back up for like 15 minutes. After I rolled these all out, I'm going to top them with some more cornmeal. Just a sprinkle. All right, so to cook them, I just have a big skillet, nothing in it, just heating it up over some medium heat. These puffed back up. Let me attempt to get it out without ruining it. So I'm just going to take them, lay them right down, and I'm going to cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they're nice and golden brown. All right, let's flip them together and hope it's good. Oh, look at that. Perfection. So that was 7 minutes I did. Look at that. Perfect. So now we're going to do 7 minutes on the other side. Okay, done. My hair gets crazier as this video goes on, but look at how beautiful these are. So, although I don't actually want to eat one right now, I have to just test one out to see if it has nooks and crannies. All right, so let's see. We can open it like a regular English muffin. I don't cut my English muffins, I just rip them apart. I don't know if that's a thing, but look at that. Look at it. It's beautiful. That looks like a real, oh Christ. Like a real English muffin. Doesn't have so many nooks and crannies, but whatever. Oh, that one got a little bit burnt on the bottom. I learned after that one, don't put one of them in the middle of the skillet. I only did like a circle around because the one in the middle cooks too fast. But look at that. That's beautiful. Homemade English muffins, sourdough discard. give them a try.